Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe from CousinDIY, and today I brought a model with me, my little Morky Allie, because we're going to make doggy sunglasses. And I already made her a pair. Here they are, and I'm going to attempt to have her model them for us. Here we go. Keep the sun out of your eyes, Allie. Whoops! Well, it lasted a little while. Here at CousinDIY, we love our dogs, so why not have a little fun with them? So I'm going to set up, and we'll be right back, and I'll show you how to make these. Today we'll be making sunglasses for one of our employees' dogs named Sunny. I find it's helpful to open your glasses and place them on a tall glass or tumbler to keep the surface flat while you're gluing onto them. So the first thing I did is I picked out the letters for Sunny's name, and then I picked out the letters for the phrase best friend. So we'll glue those on first, and then we'll glue pony beads around the rest of the perimeter of the glasses to finish embellishing them. Today we're going to use E6000, and I'm going to squirt some on a little piece of paper. Then you're going to want to play with how you want to position these on your glasses before you start gluing. So Sunny has 5 letters, and I'm going to put the middle letter right in the middle of the bridge of the sunglasses, and then I'll work back from there. So I take my tweezers and I pick up that letter, dip the bottom of it in the glue, make sure I get any heavy residual off, and then I'm going to place that right in the middle of the bridge. Then I'm going to work back and forth, positioning the rest of my letters. Next, I think I'm going to put best down on this side and friend on this side. Okay, now we've got our name and our words on here. Now I'm just going to embellish around the edges using these pearlized pony beads. They kind of coordinate with the color of these specific alphabet beads. You could also use black and white alphabet beads. Just check out our website. Now we'll let them dry, and we'll be back. Thank you for joining us today. If you make your own pair of doggy sunglasses, please share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Say bye, Ellie.